Biafrans celebrate. Your generals, they are all alive. General Igwe Butuzo is alive. Major General Gentle the Yahoo is also alive. We'll be hearing from them very soon.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button. Hello Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Gist TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone and wherever you are watching us from. Today being 14th of January 2025, we the team of Magnetic Gist TV is bringing this news live and direct to you. Biafrans, you can hear from one of the Biafran Liberation Army. So he said that Igwe Butuzo is alive, Gentle the Yahoo is alive, and Makeup is alive. So many of all these commanders that we are rumored that they have been buried. Now, from the horse's mouth, that they are all alive in this new year, that they are going to come up to broadcast and to speak to Biafrans all over the world. Men, you guys need to wait until that beautiful day that Gentle, the Yahoo, and Makeup and others will step up to speak to Biafrans again. Yes, just listen to him in all that he said.
January 2026. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, Biafrans all over the world, depending on your location and your time zone. I am Truth is Power, bringing you a wonderful update from the office of the Triple General himself, in the person of General Igwe Butuzo. Months from his office, he says he update Biafrans, updating them, passing this wonderful information to them. Biafrans celebrate. Your generals, they are all alive. General Igwe Butuzo is alive. Major General Gentle the Yahoo is also alive. We'll be hearing from them very soon. More so, from the office of the Triple General himself, Igwe Butuzo, Biafran Defense Chief. He said I should update Biafrans and also inform and pass this wonderful message to Biafrans agitators all over the world. You all should come as one. Let's actualize our aim, goals, and objective for that nation called Biafra. Nevertheless, those that call themselves agitators in diaspora should try to recognize the men on ground. Biafran Defense Chief, in the person of Igwe Butuzo, should be recognized by all agitators in diaspora. Failing to do that, your aims and objective is nothing to write home about. Happy New Year, Biafrans. I wish you a prosperous one. Do not panic. Your generals are alive. Soon, you will hear from Major General Gentle the Yahoo, Triple General, and other generals and commanders that were poisoned by the zoological government and politicians. But thank God, Chukwu Okike Abiamu, who kept them alive. Very soon, I'll be giving you updates back to back. Make sure you share this video to debunk those information given by the Nigerian government that these people are dead. Soon, you will hear from them.
Now, Biafrans, you can see that Biafra are indeed, the Biafrans are rejoicing because very soon Mazen Nadekalu is going to be released. And very, 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 very soon, Biafra will emerge. because they believe that the coming of the United States of America, the Israel in Nigeria to fight against terrorism, that after that they are going to handle the case and the issue of Biafra. Guys, just watch this video and see how our Biafra brothers and mothers and sisters are jubilating. Now, Ebube Jesus is still speaking concerning Biafra. Listen to Ebube Jesus and what he said. Yes, you.
Ajụjụ ma na-agara onye ọbụla bụ onye Igbo. Ebube Jesus na-ajụ ajụjụ a. Send ya this ajụjụ to onye ọbụla bụ nwafọ Igbo. Na Ebube Jesus na-ajụ ajụjụ a. Send ya pastor gị, ya Sam. Send ya bishop gị, ya Sam. Send ya Ebuka Obi, send ya Fada Mbaka, send ya ndị niile bụ ndị ụkọchukwu, ha Sam. Ofu ajụjụ mana ọ gbara ụzọ ịtọ. And ajụjụ ahụ bụ: anyị achọrọ Biafra ka na ya achọrọzi? Ya bụ nnukwu ajụjụ. Anyị aka chọrọ Biafra ka na ya achọrọzi Biafra? Nke a bụ nke izizi. Nke ịbụọ siri ezigbote ike. Ụfọdụ nwekwa ike nwatafee ihe, mana m ga-ajụ ya. A sị unu were ofu n'ime ajụjụ a, kedu nke unu ga-ewe? Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, freedom. Biafra, freedom. These are two different things. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, to be free. Unu mechi akụkọ Biafra. Unu ekwutezikwa n'okwu Biafra again. Can you release unu Maazị Nnamdi Kanu? Bụ number one. Number two, I am release Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. I ga-enye unu Biafra. Unu were ofu. That is number two. Asị m unu na dị ajụjụ gbara ụzọ ịtọ. Chetakwa nke izizi. Nke izizi bụ gịnị? Anyị aka chọrọ Biafra ka na ya achọghọzi. Nke a na-ejekwuru ndị mainly bụ ndị bishops, ndị ụkọchukwu anyị, and our politicians. Ka ajụjụ nke a na-ejekwuru. Second bụ, anyị na-achụ Biafra na-achụsie ike ka esi achụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na-achụsie ike. Maka Maazị Nnamdi Kanu nwere okwu o kwuru. Ọ sị, my people na-emeche ihe ka ndị aṅụrụ ara nne ha. Otu aka o si gwa m ya, otu aka o si kwu ya. Nsị ya, na-atụrụ igom, but they don't understand. They believe you are the Biafra. And he said what? If we put the energy, I think the energy in the release of Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, in the release of Biafra. I think the energy in the release of Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. I think that energy in the release of Biafran freedom, as in direct Biafran freedom. I think by now I can in Nigeria that we want them to release our brother, which is in Nigeria custody, back to his land. I think I can see them now. Mana ndị amaka esi use isi mụ na gị na-abụ. So ajụjụ mgbe bụrụ, are you with freedom of Biafra? Are you with freedom of Maazị Nnamdi Kanu? Don't misunderstand me and don't misunderstand me. These are two different words that deserves one answer. If we follow Mazen Nandekano, we are still following the Biafra. Are you sure? Are you sure? If you follow Mazen Nandekano and Mazen Nandekano is the Biafra, it means they will hold Mazen Nandekano again. So before I ask the third question, I will want to have answer to this first question and the second question. Which the first question go? Do we still need this Biafra? Do we still need it? If the answer is yes, then my next question will be, why is our pastors, why is our priest, why is our bishops not preaching Biafra also? Why are we not talking about our freedom? The people of Israel, Moses preach Israel. The people of Israel preach God.
Stephen Crooks, Rosie, no, they carry last at all. You know what happened? There are these video of protests that happened in Ekpoma, Edo State, where the youths of Ekpoma protested against kidnappers, against some bad things that is happening in that vicinity. And the government or the governor of Edo State went ahead to arrest all those that are protesting. You know, mainly they are students, and they were charged to court, and court remanded them in prison. So this is exactly what is wrong. Why the governor of Castina is releasing 70 terrorists from prison, according to him, they said that it is part of the deal, what they call it again, peaceful deal negotiation. You know, the terrorists is here na ha release zero home never haji ka ha we kwete na peace deal, or we still not get release here. Oh guys, see here na this particular country where we deal things that happen. Oh,
all right, guys, I just saw the video of Edo students being arrested and 52 of them sent to prison by the Nigerian state because they said they are tired of insecurity in Nigeria. That is why these people were sentenced to prison, 52 of them. Now, the insecurity happening in Nigeria is not caused by these students. It is caused by the Nigerian state. The Nigerian state decided to lock 52 students up. Have you seen how collapsed that entity is? Have you seen how collapsed Nigerian government is? The country is as a result of terrorists handling the affairs of that country. That is why nothing works in Nigeria. That is why nothing, absolutely nothing works in Nigeria. Have you seen how collapsed Nigeria is? That a governor would not pay attention to the insecurity happening in his state, but could pay attention on arresting her own citizen, putting 51 students in prison. Do you know what that means? That means that there is no more peace, unity in that country. Tell me the reason why a governor would come out and jail 52 students that are protesting for their rights. You see, this isn't just a narrative, yeah? They are trying to change people's mind that each time you come out to protest, just be ready to face prison sentence. They tried it when the whole Nigerian came out for hunger strike. Tinubu arrested Nigerians, jailed them, including women and children, jailed them so that they will be scared. Now, Edo people came out, Edo students came out and said they are tired of the insecurity in Nigeria. They are tired of the insecurity in their own state. Students are being kidnapped. They pay a lot of money when they kidnap them. Did the governor of that Edo State, is it Governor Bebulu, did he pay attention? The governor never paid attention. All he did is to arrest the citizens and jail them. Have you seen the kind of country we are in? Have you seen the country where you want us to become one Nigeria? Where is it? I don't have the key. Have you seen the country? Hold on. Yeah, I do have it. Let's check up. Then when we finish, we can go. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Okay. Have you seen that kind of country where a governor will arrest our own citizen because of insecurity? Because these people are protesting. They said enough is enough. They are tired of insecurity. Have you seen such before in your life? Have any one of you seen such anywhere in the world? And the bandits, the terrorists are freely moving in their forest. The terrorists are freely moving in their community. That was the man who told you that he is going to import insecurity during his inauguration or his campaign. Nigeria is finished. Nigeria is gone. Nigeria can no longer work. Why don't you people understand it? Let us come together and build Biafra. Let us come together and build Biafra. Biafra is the way forward. There is nothing we are going to do today that will work in that country. The country is a collapsed entity. Governor arresting students because they are protesting. And you know, when protests start like that, there's bound to be good people and bad people. And you know, those bad people will be looking for what to steal, to make other people to look bad. Protest is just for you to come out, for the government to come out and address the issue on ground. Why the students are protesting in that country. But in Nigeria, when you come out to protest, they will end your life. Under Tinubu, under the terrorist Tinubu, and nobody can tell us where Tinubu is, even up to today. Nobody. A dead man is ruling Nigeria. Can you see how daft all of you is? A dead man is ruling your country. Nobody can answer that question. The moment Trump strikes Nigeria, Tinubu took off. Akpabio took off. Sultan of Sokoto took off. Gumi took off. Nobody is hearing from them again. These were the people standing tall. When you come to talk about insecurity, they will tell you there is no insecurity in the north. That the only insecurity you have is in the southeast. Today, none of them is speaking anymore. Governor Obolo can come and arrest his own citizen. Have you seen how collapsed that entity is? I said I was never going to, talk about it, but a whole lot of people have been, tagging me. Please say something about this. What am I going to say that is going to change it? Nothing. Absolutely nothing is going to change it. The fact that Nigeria can arrest students is to tell you how demonic that country is. How collapsed that entity called Nigeria is. How evil that country, contraction called that entity is. There is nothing anybody will do on this earth to fix Nigeria. Nigeria has no mequatalism. Again, nobody can fix Nigeria in 100 years to come. Nigeria has expired. It expired in 2014. That is the simple truth. And because they know that Nigeria has expired, you know what they're trying to do? The Fulanis are trying to take over and turn Nigeria into a Muslim country. That is the agenda. All of you don't know. Most of you don't know. They think they don't have sense. You think those guys don't have sense? Students have been arrested. They arrest students. They arrest students and jail them. 52 students in Nigeria. People who are supposed to be the leaders of tomorrow. They are all in prison, sitting in prison because they came out to protest for their own rights. Their constitutional rights. When we tell you people that Nigeria is a collapsed entity, you think we are here to catch cruise. This thing that happened, it can never happen in any Western world. It can't happen here. It can never happen in Finland. It cannot happen in Germany. It cannot happen in Holland. It cannot happen in United States of America. But it's happening in Nigeria. So when we tell you people, come, let us come together and preach for one Biafra, let everybody go. Under the leadership of Mazi, Nnamdi Kanu, Simon Ekpa, and Dr. Ngozi Arabweze, you say no, you don't want. You want to continue to patch, management, prayers, prayer. That is what Nigeria is known for. When the time to act comes, you will see them. They will go on the hills praying. Israel, if Benjamin Netanyahu was praying, Hamas would have taken over his country. If they prayed, they would have taken over his country. When the push came to shore, what did they do? They picked up weapons and defended their country. But Nigeria, prayer. That the GO will tell you, don't worry, Nigeria will be good. Let us pray for Nigeria to be better. You keep praying, the politicians are deceiving you, looting your finances. All their children is here in abroad. Why they are detaining you people in Nigeria? Have you seen the tricks? Nigeria was never meant for you. Nigeria was never meant for me. It was never meant for any one of us. They're just there counting numbers. I never wanted to talk about it. People tagged me, say something about this. What do you think I will say? What do you think I can do? But it is better for me to, lend my voice so that people will see the kind of evil that entity called Nigeria is. Honestly, Nigeria is evil. Nigeria respects no human rights. They don't have law in Nigeria. No law works in Nigeria. Where police do behave like cows. The military behaves like area boys. Soldiers, what all these things that soldiers are doing in Nigeria, they're not supposed to do it. It is not the function of soldiers to go and arrest, to intimidate. Soldiers are meant to be protecting the forest, your borders, constitution of the country. Soldiers are not meant to be on the road. They are not meant to be on the streets. Constitution users everywhere. There is no sanity in Nigeria. The insecurity happening in Nigeria is caused by the military and the Nigerian police. That is a simple truth. It is caused by the government. The kidnapping happening is it not the Nigerian army and police that is carrying out those kidnapping? They are the one. I keep telling you that pray Nigeria never happens to you. If Nigeria happens to you, wallahi ta'ala, you will find a way to run away from that country. Just pray that you don't fall sick in Nigeria. Just pray that nothing evil should come close to you. Every day we survive not by good conscience of the country, but by the mercy of God in Nigeria. Nigeria has no plan for anybody. Nigeria has no law. When you go outside Nigeria, you understand what I'm talking about. Most of you don't understand. That is why you can call us terrorists. That is why you can fight us. That is why they can tell you, instigate you to call Biafrans a terrorist. Because we know what they know. Ask all of them that are asking you to come and join the military. How many of their children will come and join that military? None. All their children are in this country. Wonderful country. Here. Enjoying the best of life. You people can be arrested and be jailed. Showore cannot fix Nigeria, I'm telling you the truth. Nobody. Peter Obi is the worst of them. He can't. A man that he took his mandate, he was walking around, going from one place to another, serving food on the plate. He can't fix Nigeria. Nobody can fix Nigeria again. In fact, God is tired of Nigeria. No prayer works in Nigeria. The prayer that works in Nigeria, if you have a genuine heart and pray to the Almighty God for survival, that is the only prayer that works in Nigeria. Nigeria is not working as a country. I'm telling you for free. I'm telling you guys for free. It's not working as a country. The earlier, the better for you. The earlier you know this, the better for you. So, please, guys, I have to go because I have a train to catch. I still have to travel for 2 hours. Thank you so much. And I just love to come, I wanted to come live to talk about this, illegal arrest by the Edo governor and detaining over 52 students was very crazy when I heard it. And I said, Nigeria, Chibuano also, evil story. You can never hear good story in Nigeria. You can never hear progressive story in Nigeria. Bad news, bad news, bad news, bad. Nigeria is cursed. It's cursed. Every single day you wake up, evil stories, evil news. I wonder how you guys survive in Nigeria. It is hard to survive in Nigeria. I wonder how you guys survive in Nigeria. But the fact is this: Biafra has come. Biafra was redeclared under the leadership of Dr. Ngozi Orebweze on the 29th day of November 2024. Please do well to support this wonderful, country by every means necessary. Thank you, and may God bless you from here, Biafrans. I love you.
This is based on peace deal. While no man's in any for hammer, just na protest for the ma state how in a prison is where. Thank you, Biafrans. Thank you, everyone watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Gist TV, for we remain the best. While we await for the broadcast from Igwe Butuzo, Gentle to Yahoo, and Jamakeup and others. Let's keep fingers crossed. We all love you. Bye.